Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back. So, as promised, another Temu haul. I believe this is number 4. Gosh, yes, that I bought on my own. Pretty sure. If you've missed any of my Temu hauls, just go check out the playlist with haul or unboxings, things like that. So I do have prices here. I did receive a $5 credit because it was shipped late, which is kind of awesome, right? If you think about it. So let me tell you how much I spent, and then I have price breakdowns. So I spent $87 minus $5, right? Free shipping. It's a plus. Okay, it's kind of a huge haul then. I don't know why they're shipping it out all taped up like this. Maybe they're having issues. The first ones that I've gotten were not like that. Oh boy. Okay, so it's stuffed, right? All right, so it's a bright yellow something here. So you might have a try on. So it just says yellow. Let's see what we got. Oh, solid casual sports 2-piece. This is medium, and this was $10.79. So we have a try on haul. Okay, they come in these nice little bags, which I think is super handy for packing. Like, oh gosh, if you're a little OCD, like I am, this is awesome. Okay, so biker shorts, or just, maybe they're not biker shorts, but they're just old school kind of shorts. Like I used to rock these type of shorts all the time. This looks like it'll fit, so we're gonna try that on. And then this is medium. That looks okay. All right. Oh, and then what's this? What is this? Ooh, yes, we do have a try on. Okay, so we got something else that came in a bag. It looks like a tank top. Oh my gosh, it's the 1-piece, like shorts bodysuit. Is that the one that was $7? I think so. It says, yep, it's a sleeveless jumper, $7.19. Well, we're gonna give it a try. That's all we can do. Give it a try. We got more clothing items. I think this one was for my daughter. It says dragon print spaghetti, $4.49. Oh my gosh, this is very slinky. Very slinky. Okay, so the back is kind of crisscross in the back, and this is the front. Alrighty, we'll just put that right back in the bag. That was $4.49, so that's a small. That's for her. Ooh, wait a minute. And then we have bathing suits. So we are going to do a whole bathing suit try on separately, but just so you know, it's a bandeau. That looks like it's gonna fit. Really nice, hot pink, and oh, yes, that's gonna be separate. Okay, see what Temu has to offer. All right, what else did we get? Oh, this is what I got for free. So if I spent a certain amount of money, I got these microfiber towels, and you could pick the color. It was just an offer, so I went ahead and selected it. It says 3-piece bathroom hand towel, free gift. So let's see. And I did pick gray because gray is neutral. Oh, it's just one. Why does it say 3-piece? I don't know, but hey, it's free. I'll take a hand towel. Why not? Right? Just throw that in the wash. All right, and this is for Gigi. I got her another one of these. She's gonna love it. The other one that she got was green. So this was $4.88. That's for her. And then, oh, we got another shirt here. This is a lace V-neck crop cami top, $6.98. What size did I get? Medium. Oh, that's okay. I mean, it's a crop. So let's hope that fits. Oh, I got another one. Did I get 2 of these? I don't remember getting 2 of them. It says 1 times 1. Well, there's 2 of them. And then, oh, this is for Lucas. This is from the Alphabet Lore. Look how it's like sealed in there. So this is the letter T. This is hilarious. But it's sealed, like really sealed. So let me try to open it. Yep. It was fresh. There's the letter T. It's kind of cuckoo. All right. And then, oh, this is nice. It's like a whisk. Yep, semi-automatic rotary, $2.48. So it is a whisk. Why does it say semi-automatic? Oh, wait a minute. So you press down, right? I feel like it's like an umbrella. Like you press down. I don't know how that's gonna work. But it was $2.48. And I feel like I'm missing something, but we'll figure it out. And then this right here is a wavy line. This is actually another bikini, $7.43. I'll just show you what it looks like because we're gonna do this separate. So it's kind of soft. It is soft. It's got like this knit material. What size? Medium. If it doesn't fit me, it'll fit my daughter, but it's cute. Can't figure out the bottoms, but typical bikini. I like the V cut in the front. That's cute. That's cute. And it's soft. So again, bikini try on separate. Oh, this I think is supposed to be for Gigi. It's a faux gold chain for her. How do you open this? So it's a collar, right? This might be too big. I got extra large for $3.48. But if you take this off, yeah, you can link them together. So I could potentially make this shorter for her. Yeah. All right, we got another chew toy. It's a toothbrush, $3.99 for her. So I'm liking the options. So really, there's so much on there. So it's got like the grooves. You can put some peanut butter on there, or if you make like a paste or something that your doggy would like, put it in there. So hours of fun for them. I'm telling you, they won't leave it. All right. And then I got this. This is an egg separator, egg white separator, and 78 cents. It's pretty cute. Right? Still cheaper than a dollar store. Oh, and then we got another bikini. This is $8.48 in the color Ocean. It's medium. I figured this was a different color. So this is going to be like a micro size for me. It is ruched in the back. Not really much give, but just a different color. And the top is okay. I feel like we might be spilling out of it, but we gotta make it work. $8. $8. Where are you gonna find it cheaper? Let me know. And that's it. That's it. So stay tuned because you guys are gonna love. We got 3 pieces to try on. I feel like we'll just do the whole try on then, just to not waste time, right? No? Yeah, stay tuned for that. So if you missed any of them, I got a playlist, try on, hauls, unboxing, all of it. So go check that out. If you've never heard of Temu, go check that out as well. I do have codes for Temu, and there's codes out there all over the place to use and save some coins. Usually they give you something, but remember I saved $5. I think I did pretty good. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.